forming quadratic equations from the roots. Solve this equation. You get the factors, x minus 4 and x minus 2. And the solutions or roots are x plus 4 and x plus 2. What's the relationship between 4, 2 and plus 8? Well, 2 4s are 8. So this is the product of the roots. What is the relationship between minus 6 and 4 and 2? Well, 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is minus the sum of the roots. This is the rule. X squared minus the sum of the roots plus the product of the roots equals 0. In this example, the sum of the roots is 2 and the product of the roots is minus 5. In this example, we don't like 2x squared, so we change this to x squared by dividing everything by 2. And now we see the sum of the roots is 7 over 2 and the product is a half. What quadratic equation would have the roots 4 and 6? Again, using our formula, we have x squared minus the sum of the roots plus the product of the roots equals 0. 4 and 6 is 10, so we have minus 10x, and 4 6s are 24. In this example, we have the same thing. Sum of the roots times x plus the product of the roots. Now 2 fifths and 3 fifths are 1. 2 3s are 6, 5 5s are 25. And we multiply everything by 25 so we don't have the awkward fraction.